This is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to pin conversation on Snapchat. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! If you use Snapchat enough, your chat page is probably swamped with all sort of different conversation, and even everyone you are chatting with is a friend. Some conversation are definitely more important than others, so you can make sure you have quick access to your most important Snapchat conversation by pinning them. And here in this video I will show you how to do it. It's so simple. So first, of course, we have to open our Snapchat. Now you can go to the message section, and in here you can just choose on the conversation that you want to pin. Maybe for the example, I will choose this one. You can just tap and hold on the conversation until you find there is an option, chat and notification settings. You can just tap on that. Now you can see there is an option, pin conversation. You can also pin this conversation as shortcut to your home screen, but I will just pin this conversation in this app. So now, as you can see, this conversation is moved to on the top of your chat list, conversation list. You can also pin more than one, like this. So you have two pinned chat conversation on your Snapchat. It's so simple, right? So that is how to pin the conversation on Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!